Welcome to my YouTube channel. I think this is like the first video I've created like ever. Um, I don't really have any plans for this YouTube channel. It's basically just for fun. And ever since COVID struck, I found myself having like much time on my side, and I just feel like just do something fun. So I'm going to try to keep this YouTube channel entertaining for you guys. But yeah, I hope you all enjoyed this video. So as the video title suggests, this is more of a showcase video. So I created a music app. So this is basically just a walkthrough. If you guys want the source code, just leave a comment down below, and I can like post a link to my GitHub where you guys can get the code from. Oh yeah, so the music app. I created this app a couple months ago. I haven't finished it yet, cause like I'd say about a couple weeks after I started the project, I got an offer from some developers around my area, and they was like they're working on something related to blockchain, and if I'd be interested, and at that time, blockchain was like this field I always wanted to get into. So I was like, yeah, sure, why not? So yeah, I joined their team, and basically we're done with the project now. So I have time again to work on this project. Let's just see if I can finish it. I'll keep you guys posted. Um, well, yeah, let's dive into the video. Um, yeah, so as you guys can probably already tell, it looks pretty much similar to the Apple Music app. I got some inspiration from the Apple Music app. Um, you have the bottom nav. Everything is like pretty much similar. The same thing for like the desktop view. It's pretty much the same. The main functionality, the player. I haven't made the player work yet. That's like the only thing left. I think every other thing works, like playlists. You can create new playlists. You can add photos. Um, yeah, everything works. Artist, songs. Still haven't done this one yet. Browse. So I haven't done the listen now, the player, the radio and search. But I could try finishing it if you guys want me to. Like just leave comments. Yeah, hopefully I'll finish and I'll keep you guys posted. Um, well, yeah, I forgot about the introduction. So since this is my first video, um, so I'm a full stack web developer slash mobile app developer slash blockchain developer. Like for front end, I use mostly Vue.js and React. Then back end, I use Node.js. I use Python Flags and occasionally PHP. And I know there's a lot of talk out there. People always like PHP is outdated. No one uses PHP anymore. PHP is old. PHP is bullshit. Excuse my language. Um, well, yeah. For me, I think it doesn't really matter what people say, as long as like it gets the job done for you. Like go ahead. If it gets the job done for you, just use it. Like to me, PHP is easier to get the job done. I still get paid the same amount. As far as like it meets the client requirements, yeah, just go for it. Well, yeah. So this is the music app so far. I didn't really think this YouTube video was going to be this short, but considering that it's like first video, might as well just like let it be this short. Yeah. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Like leave a comment, leave a like, subscribe, so you guys can like keep you guys posted if I finish the vid, if I do finish the project, and yeah, I'm looking for ideas to create. I have lots of time on my hands right now. If you guys have ideas you want me to create, maybe do some walkthroughs, yeah, just like let me know, leave a comment. I'll go through the comment section, and whatever you guys want me to build, we'll build it together. I could create like tutorial videos, walkthrough videos. Um, yeah, again, if you guys want source code, if you guys can finish it yourself, just like leave a comment, just comment down below. Yeah, I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.